Do you remember the days when you could walk for hours without even thinking about it? Maybe it was a stroll through the park or chasing after your grandkids in the backyard. But as we get older, those strong legs can start to feel a little weaker. And that freedom? It starts to slip away. The truth is, muscle loss in our legs, especially as we age, isn't just about losing strength. It's about losing independence, confidence, and those precious moments you still want to enjoy. But what if I told you that there's a powerful everyday food that can help stop leg muscle loss in its tracks? And it's probably already in your fridge right now. Let's get right to it. The most powerful food you can eat every single day to help keep your leg muscles strong is eggs. Yep, simple, humble eggs. Not only are eggs packed with high-quality protein, which is the building block your body uses to maintain and repair muscle, they're also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and choline. And guess what? All of these support muscle health as we age. Here's the science. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. But research shows that seniors who eat enough protein, especially from sources like eggs, maintain more muscle and stay more active. Just one large egg gives you about 6 grams of protein. So having a couple of eggs for breakfast or lunch is a simple habit that can make a world of difference. But it's not just about the science, is it? It's about being able to get up on your own, go for walks, travel, play with your grandkids, and keep doing the things you love. Eating eggs daily can help you keep those legs moving strong, so you can keep making memories. Now, I want you to try this. Tomorrow morning, make yourself some scrambled eggs, an omelet, or even a classic boiled egg. It's quick, it's delicious, and your muscles will thank you. And if you're a caregiver, encourage your loved one to enjoy them too. Have you noticed changes in your leg strength, or do you have a favorite recipe that keeps you moving? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story and share ideas with our community. Remember, you're never too old to get stronger. Every step counts. So let's take them together, one egg at a time.